Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to go over this week 6 next steps. Since this is our final week of next steps, I've had a few questions about it. So as you look over here, we don't have a survey to complete like we usually do. Follow the steps. For the first one says you need to complete your application for admission to BYU Pathway Worldwide. And if it's not finished yet and you've still been trying hard, you can still get full credit. So don't worry that you'll be deducted points if you are waiting for a transcript to be sent over or waiting for your stake president or bishop for the endorsement. Some of those things are out of our control. And if you've done everything you can and just waiting on other people, then when you do your report, you can mark that as so and you won't lose points. And then number 2, that's the report that you'll do. You'll click on that document and you will have your report. It's kind of like a template that we've been using. Once you download it and open, you have these boxes you can check. You just check one, only check one. Read each scenario and see which one fits best to your current situation. Like it says, you'll get the full points if you mark A, B, or C. For D, you'll get 15 points. If you being honest and reflecting and thinking you didn't work as hard as you could to get your application done, but you commit to strive after this course to get it finished, because the deadline for the application is not right now. So even though our course is finishing, you can still continue to be working on getting that application submitted. When you go to check the box, if you just even highlight that box and do an X, that's good enough. There's not really a way to check those boxes in this Word document. So for those of you that are doing the alternate assignment, you will need to submit that report right here and your alternate assignment document. So you will have 2 documents you upload. And like it says here, I've decided not to apply. I'm returning in the alternate assignment. You will mark that one and then upload your document that is attached here that you complete for your alternate assignment. I believe I had that one. Let me just get it pulled up. There we go. So you'll fill all of this out. Okay, those of you that have been working on this throughout the semester, and the rubric's right there so that you know how to make sure you get the full points. So once you've done that, if you have any questions, let me know. You'll just submit it. So I've had a few of you ask, where's the survey that we always take? It's a little different. But please get that done by Saturday night, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the full points, and to make sure that we get all the points we want for that next steps. Bye, everyone.